This all began when they applied for work and they posted their credentials on commercial apps, and somebody contacted them asking if they would like to work for a foreign entity as a researcher or as a columnist or an analyst.
This Gen Z to mga 20s?
Yes.
Mga nag-a-apply for gig work lang po ba kasi they have already work.
Yes, applying for work,
Oo.
putting out the resume on commercial apps,
Ma-LinkedIn ganyan.
LinkedIn, and other apps, and then somebody would contact them.
Oo.
Ask them to submit an article on anything and say that I like your style of writing, would you like to work for us? The collection effort, asking questions about the direction of our defense diplomacy, schedules of the RORE, names of the people assigned aboard LS-57 and the other detachments. So it is linked to the West Philippine Sea. It is linked to defense and security. It is linked to naval strategic plans, basing plans, and other matters that would give us a logical reason to believe our adversary in the West Philippine Sea, the Chinese Communist Party, is behind this.
Ano ulit ang effect nito sa ating security? May na-compromise po ba tayong security?
Yes, the result of this is this could potentially put the lives of our men and women, especially those in the West Philippine Sea, conducting the RORE, put their lives in unnecessary risk. Nung naintindihan naman ito ng isa sa tatlo, who had links with the Coast Guard, he was remorseful nung nakita niya na posible pala na may masaktan na Pilipino sa ginagawa niya.